These templates will work on Premiere Pro 2018.1 or above versions. Font changing feature available in 2019 or above version templates. I have used Exofont in this project. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import templates. Import them all one by one. I have already imported them. Select any template and place it on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, you can change text, font, text color. Let's change text and font. RGB effect won't work if you change text color. You can enable or disable the RGB effect from here. These templates have only an animation. To make out animation, trim template like that. Press Alt and drag template to make a copy of it. Place it like that. Right-click, go to Speed Duration. Select Reverse Speed. That's it. Thanks for watching.